Hello everyone, this is A. Mani Sharma, your favorite maths teacher, and now we shall watch the solution to question number 8 of exercise 6.5. Topic triangles. So children, let's see what is given. In the given figure, O is a point in the interior of the triangle. See children, this is O, a point inside the triangle. Triangle ABC. OD is perpendicular to BC, OE is perpendicular to AC, and OF is perpendicular to AB. Show that OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OE square minus OF square minus OD square equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. And number 2 is AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Now children, let us see how we can move forward with this question. Now children, let us see how we can do the solution. First of all, join. First step is join OA, OB and OC. And then mark triangles. This is step 1, and step 2, mark triangles AOF, then triangle BOD and triangle COE. Children, you can see I have already marked. Now in triangle AOF, you have angle F equal to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, we have AF square plus OF square equal to OA square. So this is one. Similarly, you see the other two triangles, you will get OD square plus BD square equal to OB square, and OE square plus CE square equal to OC square. Children, you have to see here, see angle E is 90. So therefore CE square plus OE square will give you OC square. And here angle D is 90 as per our question. So we have got three equations. Equation 1, equation 2, equation 3 for OA square, OB square and OC square. Now let us add all the three equations. So see what will you get? AF square, see what we can write here? We can write AF square plus OF square, AF square plus OF square plus OD square plus BD square plus OE square plus CE square equal to OA square plus OB square plus OC square plus OC square. And if you keep AF square, BD square and CE square this side, what you will get? AF square plus BD square plus CE square will be equal to, you take this OF square, OD square and OE square that side. So you will get OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OF square minus OE square minus OD square. And thus we have proved our equation 1. Now let us see how we can do the next equation. Now what is our equation 2? Our equation 2 is we have to prove AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. But children, let us see what was our first equation. Our first equation was OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OE square minus OF square minus OD square equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square, which we have already proved. So first let us write this equation. See children, this was our equation which we have already proved. Equation 1 we have already proved. Now children, to prove the second equation, you have to look at these three triangles. These three triangles. See here, this one triangle. This is also a right angled triangle. If you see properly, you will come to know that here also angle E is 90 degree, and you can get here AE square plus OE square equal to OA square. Similarly here is one more triangle, right angle triangle. See here, this triangle, okay. OF square plus BF square is equal to OAB square. Here also see here, this is one more triangle. Here OD square plus CD square will give you OC square. So now to prove the second equation, we have to look at these three triangles. Now let us see how we can prove second equation using equation 1. Now see here, OA square minus OE square. What you are going to get here? See here, OA square, this is OA. Look here, this is OA. OA square minus OE square will give you AE square, isn't it? See here, because you can see here, even triangle AEO is right angle triangle, and you have AE square plus OE square is equal to OA square. So OA square minus OE square will give you AE square. That means OA square minus OE square will give you AE square. So what we can do is we can bring together these two expressions so that we can use it. Okay, so let's start. Now OA square minus OE square plus OB square minus, see what is there with OB. OB square OB, and we have OF. So OB square minus OF square plus next OC square minus with OC we have OD minus OD square. Now see here, OA square minus OE square is AE square plus OB square minus OF square. OB, see this one is OB. OB square minus OF square is giving you BF square. Okay, plus BF square minus plus OC square minus OD square. This is OC and this is OD. So you will get CD square. OC square minus OD square is equal to CD square. So hence proved.